So today we have an open boxing of the GoPro Hero HD MotorSport camera. This is the original GoPro. They now have the Hero 2 out. This one I got as a closeout for $169 from BH Photo. Figured it was worth a shot. So this apparently can hold up 32 gigabyte SD card. It comes with the USB cable, battery. I also did order the LCD backpack so that you can view what you record. We also got a 16 gigabyte class 10 SanDisk card to go with it. We also bought a standard tripod mount so we can use it with a tripod, and a head strap. Now I do believe this comes with a watertight case. It is in this pretty much indestructible plastic piece, and it's mounted in its waterproof housing. So there we go, we got it out. So we bought a 16 gigabyte SanDisk card, class 10, about $24, and here we're going to show you how to install into the Hero camera.